ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Welcome to Samveda e-classes once again. This is Mohyuddin, English facilitator from Government Urdu HPS Sirwar, Raichur district. Children, today I am going to deal class 4 second language English topic environment lesson tree and river. So before start today's lesson, let's review the last class homework. So what was the homework? The homework was the two questions. How do you save the environment and why do we save the environment? Hope you all have written the answers. Let's check your answers. Okay, we save the environment by growing the plants. Yes, so one can save the environment by growing the plants. See in this picture, the father and son is growing the plant here. So this is the way we can save our environment. Now see this picture, they are putting the trash in a particular place. Yes, like this also we can save our environment. So not putting the trash everywhere in a vacant place, that is not good for our environment. See in this picture how they are putting the trash in a particular place. Fine. Now one more reason or one more way we can save our environment by making factories not to emit more smoke, and one more way we can save our environment by saving water, not using the water unnecessarily. Whenever it is necessary, then we can use the water. We have to save the water. Like this one can save the environment. Now the second question was, why do we save the environment? So the question is there, no? Why do we save the environment? So because as we know that Earth is the only one and a unique planet for survival of all living organisms. Is it right? Exactly. As I told you in the first lesson, Earth is the only one planet where all the life or living organism exists. Fantastic. Hope you have done the homework. Now before start the lesson, let's list out the new words. What are the new words? See the picture, a man is looking very happy. He seems to happy, means fortunate one, and the meaning is lucky. Fortunate means khushkismat. We say that guy is very lucky. See, he is very lucky. इसका मतलब लकी के माने, फॉर्चुनेट के माने खुशकिस्मत. देखो वो कितना खुशकिस्मत है. Observe this picture. Yes, this is the picture of crying, shedding of tears. देखो यहाँ पे किस तरह आंसू निकाल रहा है वो. तो क्या कहते हैं इसे? रोना. क्राइंग के माने रोना. Fine. Now the next one. Observe this picture. So they are giving respect to each other. So the word for this one is honorable. What is the meaning of honorable? Respectful. We use this word. Respectful president, honorable chief guest. So honorable के माने हैं बाइज्जत, मुअज़्ज़िज़. Fine. Now let's see the last word. See in the picture, an old woman with a child, with a girl. See, so what she is doing here? A kind feeling. Kind feeling means mercy, raham dil, raham karna, kind feeling. We say these words usually. Please kind on enemies. तो दुश्मनों पे क्या करो? रहम करो. So the meaning of mercy is kind feeling. Okay. We can use these words in other sentences also. We can make as much as possible sentences using these words. Hope you understood the meaning of new words. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको नए अल्फाज के माने समझ में आए हुए होंगे. Now let's see the lesson the tree and a river. So the children, now open your textbook, the lesson environment, under that a tree and a river topic. Now I read a lesson here, you just listen carefully. Okay, let's go for the reading. One day a tree saw a river. The river was crying. The tree asked the river why it was crying. It wiped its tears and said, "My dear friend, I am going to die very soon. Look at me. There is no water left in me. People dump in waste. The waste is choking me. I can't live anymore in this condition. But friend, you look sad. What's the matter?" Now let's move to the second paragraph. The tree said, "Dear river, I am not fortunate either. I am also in the same state as you are. People cut me down without any mercy. Besides, there is no water for me too." Now the last paragraph of the lesson tree and river. Listen carefully, children. The tree and the river discussed the matter. They decided to find a solution to the problem. They thought of writing a letter to the government. They wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. The letter read like this. So this is all about the reading of all three paragraphs. Now we came to know the new words meaning, and we read all the three paragraphs. Now let's see the explanation of each paragraph. See the tree and a river. This is tree and this is a river. So what happens one day? One day a tree saw a river. The river was crying. The tree asked the river why it was crying. क्या हुआ? एक दिन ट्री सॉ अ रिवर. दरख्त क्या करता है? नदी को देखता है तो क्या कहता है? द रिवर वॉज क्राइंग. और नदी रो रही थी. क्राइंग, द मीनिंग ऑफ क्राइंग ऑलरेडी वी लर्न. क्राइंग मीन्स रोना. तो नदी रो रही थी. द ट्री आस्क्ड द रिवर व्हाई इट वॉज क्राइंग. तो दरख्त पूछता है नदी से, दरिया से, कि तुम क्यों रो रही हो. इट वाइप्ड इट्स टीयर्स एंड सेड. तो दरख्त क्या करता है? उसके आंसुओं को पोंछता है. माय डियर फ्रेंड, आई एम गोइंग टू डाई वेरी सून. तो दरिया कहता है कि मैं जल्द ही मर जाऊंगी. आई एम गोइंग टू डाई वेरी सून. लुक एट मी, देखो मुझे. सी दिस पिक्चर. यहाँ पे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? पानी से ज्यादा क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कचरा दिखाई दे रहा है. सो दैट रिवर वॉज सेइंग दैट. तो नदी कह रही थी कि मैं मर जाऊंगी. देयर इज नो वाटर लेफ्ट इन मी. तो मेरे में पानी कम, कचरा ज्यादा है. तो इसीलिए मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के रो रही हूं. मेरे दोस्त, और लोग क्या करते हैं? पीपल डंप इन वेस्ट. और लोग आते हैं मेरे में कचरा फेंक के चले जाते हैं. डंप के माने फेंकना। क्या करते हैं? कचरे को मुझ में डाल के चले जाते हैं। द वेस्ट इज चॉकिंग मी, तो वो कचरा क्या कर रहा है? चॉकिंग के माने गला घोंटना। वो कचरा क्या कर रहा है? मेरा गला घोंट रहा है, इसीलिए मैं मर जाऊंगी, मैं मर रही हूं, क्योंकि लोग आए दिन मुझ पे आए दिन मुझ में कचरा फेंक रहे हैं। I can't live anymore in this condition, but friend you look sad, what's the matter? तो दरिया अपने बारे में कहते 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 दरख्त से पूछती है, बट फ्रेंड, अरे मेरे दोस्त, यू लुक सैड, अरे तुम्हें क्या हुआ? तुम भी बहुत गमगीन नजर आ रहे हो। व्हाट्स द मैटर, क्या माजरा है, तुम्हारे साथ क्या हुआ? यस, द ट्री से डियर रिवर, आई एम नॉट फॉर्चुनेट ईदर। तो जब दरिया दरख्त से पूछती है, अरे तुम भी बहुत गमगीन नजर आ रहे हो, क्या वजह है? तो दरख्त कहता है, द ट्री सेड डियर रिवर, अय दरिया, आई एम नॉट फॉर्चुनेट ईदर, मैं भी खुशकिस्मत नहीं हूं, मेरा भी हाल तेरे जैसा ही है, मैं भी कोई खुशकिस्मत नहीं हूं। आई एम ऑल्सो इन द सेम स्टेट एज यू आर। तो क्या कह रहा है दरख्त? जो हालत तुम्हारी है वही हालत मेरी है, इसीलिए मैं बहुत सैड, गमगीन हूं, मैं खामोश हूं। पीपल कट मी डाउन विदाउट एनी मर्सी, तो लोग क्या करते हैं? मुझ पर रहम नहीं खाते। अगर उन्हें लगता है निकालना है तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं? मुझे कट डाउन, चॉप, क्या करते हैं? थोड़ा भी रहम नहीं करते मुझ पे, मुझको काट देते हैं। Besides, there is no water for me to, उसके अलावा लोग तो मुझे काट रहे हैं, उसके अलावा मुझे जिंदा रहने के लिए जो पानी चाहिए, जो पानी की दरकार है, वो मुझे नहीं मिल रही, वो मुझे दस्तयाब नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं भी क्या कर रहा हूं? आई एम ऑल्सो डाइंग, मेरा भी हाल वही है। होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस लेसन। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है। तो क्या हुआ बच्चों फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में? इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ द ट्री आस्क्ड द रिवर, तो क्या करता है? दरख्त दरिया से पूछता है कि तुम क्यों रो रही हो? तो दरिया बताती है, आई एम डाइंग वेरी सून, मैं जल्द ही खत्म हो जाऊंगी, मर जाऊंगी, क्योंकि लोग मुझ में क्या करते हैं? द पीपल डंप इन वेस्ट, लोग आते हैं मेरे में कचरा डाल के चले जाते हैं, और उससे मुझे मेरे अंदर का मौजूद पानी क्या हो रहा है? खत्म हो रहा है। मेरी बात तो ये है, तुम क्यों गमगीन नजर आ रहे हो? तो दरख्त कहता है, मेरा भी हाल वही है कि लोग मुझे क्या करते हैं? बिना रहम के काट कर फेंक दे रहे हैं, मुझे काट रहे हैं, और उसके अलावा मेरे पास मेरी नशोनुमा के लिए, मुझे रहने के लिए, मुझे बढ़ने के लिए, मुझे जिंदा रहने के लिए पानी मौजूद नहीं है। ये दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं। तो लेट्स सी द थर्ड पैराग्राफ। द ट्री एंड द रिवर डिस्कस द मैटर, तो दोनों आपस में बहस करते हैं। दे डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन टू द प्रॉब्लम, तो बहस के दौरान वो क्या करते हैं? मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हें भी प्रॉब्लम है, क्यों ना हम दोनों बैठ के इसका हल निकालें। वो क्या करते हैं? एक फैसला करते हैं कि हम इसका हल निकालेंगे। तो वो हल क्या निकलता है? दे थॉट ऑफ राइटिंग अ लेटर टू द गवर्नमेंट, तो दोनों आपस में बहस करके एक फैसला करते हैं कि हम अपनी अपनी प्रॉब्लम को क्या करेंगे? लेटर के जरिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका को क्या करेंगे? हम चीफ मिनिस्टर को लेटर लिखेंगे। दे रोट अ लेटर टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ कर्नाटका, तो क्या करते हैं? वो दोनों मिलके कर्नाटका चीफ मिनिस्टर को क्या करते हैं? खत लिखते हैं। नाउ hope you all understood the lesson. Now let's sum up. Who was crying one day? तो एक दिन क्या हुआ? कौन रो रहे थे? Yes, try to answer. Yes, you are exactly right. The river was crying. The river was crying. Very good. Now, what do people dump in the river? लोग नदी में या दरिया में क्या फेंक रहे थे? Yes, try to answer the question. People dump waste in the river. Exactly, you are right. तो लोग क्या कर रहे थे? दरिया में कचरा फेंक रहे थे. Now, see the last one. Who did tree and river write a letter to? तो दोनों आपस में बात करते हैं, बात करके एक सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं, लेटर लिखते हैं. किसे लिखते हैं बच्चों? Yes, you are right. The tree and a river wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Fantastic. Now write down the answers even in your notebook. Let's see the activities given in your textbook. Fun with the words. Very fantastic and very fantastic activities given on your textbook. Arrange the letters in the correct order. One is done for you. See the first one. They have written the letters of the word in a wrong order, and they arranged in a correct order to give the meaningful word. See here, TRFEOS. There is no meaning for a such word. That is not word. So they arranged the letters to make a meaningful word. Forest. That is forest. Some of the words given in this picture, so you have to rearrange them to get the meaningful word. Just look at this picture and try to rearrange them in a meaningful word. Take a 30 seconds to copy down this one. Yes. Now the answers are, see, CHILL, chill. WARM, warm. THROW, throw. CHOKE, chalk. The fifth one, WATCH, watch. Like that, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the answers. We arranged them in such a manner that they give the meaning. Letter, river, dump and shine. Yes. Just see these answers with your answers. Take down the answers. Let's see, there is an activity on page number 38. Play this game. Look at the gold coins in the grid. A word is etched on each coin. Make a pair of coins which have the same sounds. One example is given. So in all the activities, they have done one example for you to understand and do the remaining examples. Just I go on reading the words written on each gold coin. Later you have to make a list of the same sound. For that you have to listen now. 2, new, 1, which, pair, break, weather, right. 2, 1, break, which, weather, new, pair and right. So there is an example done already, that is weather, weather. See, the sound of both the words is same. Weather, weather. Observe the pair of words here. They have the same sound but differ in a meaning. See, the first one is weather and second one also is a weather. The sound is same but the meaning is different. So you have to do the remaining words in pair. You have to search out What is the pair to the to? What is the pair to the new? Now take some time and make a list of a pair of words which have the same sounds. Yes, here are the list of the pair of words which have the same sound. Let's see, have a look on weather, weather. This is already done. TOO, two, TWO, two. See, the sound of these two words are same. NEW, new. KNEW, new, new, new. WON, one. ONE1, one. WITCH, which. WHICH, which. Pair, pair. Break, break. Right, right. We have seen all the words. They are written in pair and they give the same sounds. Yes, I just go on reading once again. Weather, weather. Two, two. New, new. One, one. Which, which. Pair, pair. Break, break. Right, right. I just give the meaning of any 2 or 3 set of words. See, the meaning of new, naya, and meaning of this new, janta tha. I knew that, मुझे पता था. Okay, and this one, WON, one के माने जीता था. उन्होंने मैच जीता. They won the cricket match. उन्होंने क्रिकेट मैच जीता या जीत गए. ONE1, वन के माने एक, सिर्फ एक. So when we see all these set of pair of words, we come to know that they have same sound but differ in a meaning. So let's move to the next activity of the textbook, that is, look at the picture. From each of them, frame a word that reads the same from left to right and from right to left. One is done for you. So in a language, such activities are very funny activities, very interesting activities. See here, in this picture, who is he? Yes, dad. Now the spelling of dad, D-A-D, dad. When we read from right to the left to the right, that is dad. If we go reverse, D-A-D, dad. Fantastic, no? Yes. Now in this picture, who is she? She is a mom. The spelling of mom, M-O-M. From left to right, from right to left, M-O-M. How nice it is, no? Yes. Now for some more examples. When we read from right to left or a left to right, they give the same word. See here, D-I-D, did, D-I-D, did. P-E-E-P, peep, P-E-E-P, peep. L-E-V-E-L, level, L-E-V-E-L, level. N-O-N, non, N-O-N, non. D-E-E-D, deed, D-E-E-D, deed. N-U-N, none, N-U-N, none. N-O-O-N, noon, N-O-O-N, noon. So how nice the activity is. Whether we read from right to left or a left to right, we get the same word. Some more example here. Who is she? Yes, she is a ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. And who are they? People. In other words, civic. C-I-V-I-C, civic. C-I-V-I-C, civic. So language is very fantastic. So such activities leads you to learn the language. Fine. Next, move to the next activity of your textbook. So, this is about your comprehension, whether you understood the lesson or not. You find words in the box. Some words are meant to save environment and some means to destroy environment. Separate them and write under the right column. One is done for you. So, here a group of words, some words are written in this picture. Some means to save the environment and some means to destroy the environment. So, you have to decide which is good for our environment and which is bad for environment. One is already done here. See, I just go on reading the words in this picture: lake, forest, truck, trash, river, smoke, plastic, waste, water pond, high rise building, trees, fresh air, oxygen, rain. So, we have to separate these words in two columns. Some of the words which are good for our environment and some of them are bad for our environment. Now, just write these two columns in your notebook: good for environment and bad for environment, and separate them. Take a few minutes. Yes. Now, see the list of the words which are good for environment and some are bad for environment: lake, forest, fresh air, oxygen, rain, water pond, river, trees. What do you say about these words? These are good for environment or bad for environment? Good for environment. Fine. Now, just have a look on the words in a bad for environment: smoke, truck, plastic, trash, high rise building, fire, waste and less rain. These all are not good for our environment. Besides, they bad for our environment. So, remember these words. Now, before close this session, I want to give you the homework regarding the lesson tree and a river. So, you have to write a paragraph on environment, or at least write 2 or 3 or 4, at least 5 sentences you have to write about the environment. Whatever you understood from this lesson, at least you have to write the sentences. Okay. And get it checked by your teachers. Hope you all understood this lesson. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.